Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mawaka about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the I will share my video. Remember subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. When my notification bell no, send me the video. Be a better Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. May you say be your fruit cake. What the 100-gram butter and amajubegu adiemu. What the 1/3 cup sugar count. Now we're creaming it together. What be theory now with the 3 eggs aka vanilla. Now I call the a bit. I am ready. Now the 1.5 cup all-purpose flour egumu, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 mixing it together. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. 1 mixer no. Now what they will hammer na san biti ni kakra. What they will cranberry egumu, raisin aka ho, no chola, almond babe chop ni kakra. 1 mixing it together. We are not a cook prepare cake pie mo. We're baking 180 degrees for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, we one manajo and sana was serve. If my trust in the can I will share my video. Remember subscribe. Now I share. No when me notification bell no. Send me the video be able to one sabeka. Me even na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our fruit cake recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.